back to my channel. Today's video is so exciting. It's two parts. First part, we'll be hanging out in the kitchen making a delicious treat, and the second part will be a vlog. I'm gonna be vlogging Mo's baby shower. Now, Mo already had a baby shower back in Seattle with our family, so I wanted to throw her a really small, intimate baby shower brunch with her girlfriends here in California. Oh, my ring just fell off. We're just gonna put this to the side. Now at the brunch, we're gonna have plenty of food, but I wanted to make a homemade treat as a little gift to everybody for coming. So today I'm gonna be making a recipe from my new cookbook, Baking All Year Round. If any of you are interested in getting the book, I'll put a link down below. It's bakingallyearround.com. This recipe comes from the special occasions chapter. This chapter has recipes for like weddings, engagements, graduations, birthdays, and babies, baby showers, baby birthdays. Here's the chapter, and there are so many recipes in this chapter. This chapter honestly should have been 4 chapters, but it's all in one. There are tons of recipes. The last recipe that I made from this chapter was a gender reveal cake for my sister Mo. Dee-dee! This is the one that we made right here, the gender reveal ombre cake. And today we're making some delicious little party favors. Ready to pop caramel popcorn. Yum, 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 yum. And then if you're interested in these little templates, I'll put a link down below so you can download them, or you can simply make your own. At craft stores or office supply stores, they have those paper sticker sheets, and you can just draw your own. Like if you'd rather do calligraphy, you can make your own little art. But these say ready to pop, which Mo is so pregnant. Like she is actually ready to pop any day. She is currently 8.5 months pregnant right now, and I can't wait for you to see her, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Every recipe in this book has a little blurb. I'm gonna read this one. These sweet and salty treats are perfect for any craving and also to give out as party favors. A wonderful recipe to make for a baby shower. Oh yeah, so that's exactly what we're gonna be doing today. Let's get started. First step is to preheat your oven to 300 degrees and to grease and line a pan with a piece of parchment paper. So I've got that over here off to the side. This recipe is super easy and simple. I'll be putting all of the recipe ingredients and their measurements down below in the description. Now take large pot popcorn and oil over to the stove and pop some corn. Heat a large pot over medium heat for about 3 minutes. Add the oil and heat for 10 seconds, then add 3 popcorn kernels. Once the kernels pop, add the remaining kernels. Cover with a lid and gently shake the pot to coat the kernels with oil. When the popping begins, gently shake the pot continuously over the heat until the popping begins to slow. This usually takes about 1 minute. Then remove from the heat and bring the pot back to your baking station. Our popcorn is hot and fresh off the stove, so be careful. I'm just gonna pour it into a large heat-safe bowl over here. Ooh, look at that. Get on with your little popcorn. Pour it in here. Time to make some caramel sauce. Small pot, candy thermometer, sugar, butter, vanilla extract, salt, lemon juice, and baking soda. And don't forget your baking sheet, greased and lined. Take it all over to the stove. Oh yeah. In a small heavy bottom pan fitted with a candy thermometer, combine the butter, sugar, and lemon juice and cook over medium heat to 275 degrees. Remove from heat and carefully stir in the vanilla, salt, and baking soda. Pour the caramel mixture over the popcorn and mix until everything is evenly coated. Spread the caramel corn onto a prepared baking sheet and bake until the caramel begins to darken. This usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Then remove from the oven and immediately stir the caramel corn on a baking sheet. All right, the caramel corn has baked. We've given it a little bit of time to cool, and now we're gonna assemble it into these cute little treat bags. I'm gonna hurry because I gotta leave soon. This part is super easy. I like to assemble the bag first and then place on the sticker because it's not a perfectly circle shape because the popcorn's different sizes. You can find these anywhere in different shapes and sizes, whatever you'd like. Open your little treat bag, then use a spoon or scoop and scoop in some popcorn. In you go. Boop, boop, ba-doop, boop. Give it a little shake because you want to fill it up. I just want everybody to have a little snack, a little bite-sized yummy. Now tie a ribbon. You can do any color you'd like. I'm doing blue because Mo is having a baby boy. Then tie a bow and place on the sticker. These are adorable. You could just do this if you want, but I love these stickers. Ready to pop popcorn. Just peel off your sticker and place on the front. Then fill up the rest of your bags. Ta-da! There's my homemade, ready-to-pop caramel popcorn from my new cookbook, Baking All Year Round. If you guys are interested in picking up a copy, I'll put a link down below at bakingallyearround.com. I am so ready to be an aunt, and actually I need to go get ready. I gotta kind of tame my hair a little bit. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you in just a second. We just got to Malibu Cafe for the baby shower, and here's Baby Bump. Baby Bump is in attendance, and it's adorable here. It's like rustic glam with some country going on. It's amazing.